Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another quick video for LTX 2.3. I stumbled upon one of my favorite LoRa's that just released for LTX 2.3. So you might be familiar with this. It's called the Galaxy Ace LoRa. You can use it for LTX 2 or Z-Image Turbo as well. Kind of gives you that candid, realistic Handycam feel. There isn't a lot of feedback on it yet. I'm one of the first people to use it by the looks of it. But yeah, I wanted to make a quick video on it because I got a couple of good results and I want to draw more attention to this LoRa for LTX 2.3 because I think my audience would enjoy this type of style and aesthetic on their generations because it gives you that more realistic look for your AI influencers, I guess. So let's play around with it a little bit. There's no guarantee on how the results are going to be. I've generated a couple so far with mixed results. So it's pretty good so far. So you can get this on Civitai. Just look for it, Galaxy Ace LoRa. Pretty simple. So let's go back to the workflow. So this is just a text to image workflow, but you do need a reference first frame anyways. I guess it uses it as a style guide, but doesn't use it as a image to video generation. It's a little bit different, which is kind of interesting. And as you can see here, I have a video I just generated. It took about 4 minutes on my RTX 5090 with 128 gigabytes of system RAM. I'm using the full model LTX 2.3 22B, and you can see my other settings here. So this is a little bit weird, but it's pretty cool. I'll play it for you. So I really like the realism on the skin. The lighting looks really good. I mean, it's obviously a bit uncanny and strange, but the camera zoom in too is really realistic. There was another one I did, and what I might actually do is just do the exact same example from the Civitai page and kind of just copy their first frame and their prompt just to show you what they did. And it actually worked out pretty well. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to copy this one here. Okay, so we've got our reference frame from Civitai. We've got that woman there. That's just from their example. And then I copied their prompt as well. And then you can see my other settings here for the generation. So we're going to keep it on 1080p vertical resolution, much like a cell phone selfie would be, just for realism. Now, I'm expecting this to take maybe 4 minutes again. I'm not sure if I have reloaded the checkpoint since generating this. So we'll see. I'll see you on the other side. And while that's generated, I'm just going to show you something really quickly because I already know my comments are going to be flooded with people saying, hey, where'd you get that workflow? So I'm just going to show you. It's nothing special. Go to your browse templates in your ComfyUI browser. Type in LTX. And then this is what I use, text to video. Pretty simple. And then you're going to open up your subgraph. And I added a LoRa node because I had another LoRa here. So just add it on, wire it up, and then put your LTX Galaxy Ace Safe Tensor in there. That's your LoRa file, right? And then away you go. You're good to go after that.
Hi, can I talk to you?
Yes.
Okay, so we got our example back there that took just over 4 minutes. So like I said before, don't be surprised that it doesn't look like your example. That's just a reference photo just to give it kind of a style and idea of what you want the first frame to look like. It is not an image to video workflow. You can use it for that, but that's not the purpose of this video. This is kind of cool. It gave it that retro look. This really looks like a video from the 2000s. I mean, let's just play it one more time.
Hi, can I talk to you?
Yes.
I mean, that's pretty fun. That's the kind of style of AI that I like. I mean, if you look at her legs and stuff, I mean, it's a little bit not realistic, but that's a really quick video that I wanted to show you with a really cool LoRa. And yeah, it takes about 4 minutes to generate on my 5090 with 128 gigabytes of system RAM. And that's really all I had to say today. If you want to come hang out in our Discord, head over to smallzero.io. You can join for free, and there is also a paid membership if you want to support this channel and get access to our tools. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video.